Good medical morning. This is Watson, your resident blackhead expert. This video shows a condition of blackheads called acne nevus, or comedonal nevus.
Okay, so what we have here is a comedonal nevus or blackhead nevus. This is a relatively rare condition, but I see at least 1 to 2 cases per week.
These blackhead nevi can range from a few centimeters to extend in a swirled pattern involving the trunk and back. Blackheads are thought to be due to oxidized sebum and keratin found in acne comedones. If it has no opening on the skin surface, it's called a whitehead. Blackheads are commonly found on the nose, cheeks, chin, and forehead. In extensive blackhead acne, they may also occur on the chest, back, arms, and even legs, and in unusual places such as the ears. Blackheads can be popped, squeezed, or extracted. Dr. Sanjali, aka Dr. Pimple Popper, has done many videos on acne, cysts, and blackhead extractions and shows the correct technique. We have a few videos on the proper method of blackhead extraction using comedone extractors that can be cheaply purchased online. We'll put a link below. By prepping the skin, blackheads can be removed with minimal discomfort and no scarring. Stubborn blackheads that are deep can be softened with a warm towel or even a prep of AHA several days before extractions are performed. Blackheads can also be removed with peels and creams, as well as techniques such as microdermabrasion, skin needling, and microneedling. I'll also put a link to my favorite blackhead mask below. Treating blackheads is important, and yes, that's why you're watching this video, but for the patient's sake, preventing blackheads, open pores, and whiteheads is equally important. And for more on laser and aesthetic procedures, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Hello, I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys about Rest More. Now, if you're like me and you have trouble falling asleep fast and staying asleep, then you should check out buyrestmore.com. It's all natural, veggie based, and it'll help you have a great night of sleep. And it also helps your mind relax so that you can fall asleep too. So everyone needs this in this medicine cabinet for just those nights where you just can't sleep.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night. If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.